Dad is here for the weekend. Hello.
Hello.
I've kidnapped him for the weekend because, you know,
I'm being fed, being loved.
I know. We're gonna play this game. This is the game I was telling you guys about. Cloak. So you found it.
I found totally lucked out on it.
Cheers, Dad. To the weekend. Boom. We did a nice double pour, so I don't have to stand up again. I'm on a mission today. So I'm actually in Acton, Ontario. I had to go buy something for a campaign, a little shoot I've got coming up. So normally when I work with brands, they send me everything. They send it all to me, but this time it's so quick turnaround. I had to go source it out myself. So I've been running around town. Anyways, good morning, hello. Hope your week is off to a good start. I had to skip boxing today, or kickboxing, so I'm a little bit bummed, but when you gotta work, you gotta work. Can't do it all. Okay, off to store number 2 to find the last item that I need. Greetings from Tuesday. Just got a book in the mail that I ordered a few weeks ago now, and let me just tell you, it's very fitting. Burnout, burnout, burnout. I listened to an amazing podcast episode with Brene Brown and Emily and Amelia Nagoski, who wrote this book. They're sisters. Oh, I'll link the book. I'll link the episode. It was profoundly moving, and yeah, I need this right now. I'm feeling the burn of stress and burnout and all those things. Kids have just finished their break, their first lunch break for school. I'm gonna have a little bit of lunch. I'm gonna sit down and read my book. I did not work out today. I'm just taking a break. I'm feeling a little run down. So you gotta listen to the body, right? So I'm curious what this book will tell me about burnout and such. Anyway, let's make a sandwich, okay? If you read the back of this book, it's like, now I remember why I bought it. It's specifically for women and how women experience burnout, because it's very different, the expectations that society has of women today. Ooh, starting to feel quite the tension in my neck here. Might have to try that thing that my friend Joanna from Nesting Story was telling me, this exercise to stretch out your neck. So in order to do this stretch, you need to have a long pole, which, to be honest, I kind of have to look around for one of those. So I'll use what I've got, which is a broom. So you hold the broom out, you need your arms kind of spread wide. Definitely feel that tension in the neck. Just open right up. Hi, this was not really, I didn't really want a hug, but I'm glad you're here. Hello from Wednesday, November 11th, Remembrance Day. It's lovely, actually, just local to me. They had a little Remembrance Day celebration, and by little I mean because people are social distancing and it's harder to get to events and things. Anyway, it was really nice to see, and we took our moment of silence today, thinking about family members of ours that have been part of the war. And my grandmother on my mother's side, so my maternal grandmother, was a hairdresser in the war, and my grandfather was a very young, probably shouldn't have been in the war, in the RAF in England. So yeah, kind of interesting, hey? Like, and actually at the start of this year, I teamed up with Ancestry and we did a video. This video is not sponsored, but that video was sponsored, and it was really neat to hear about, you know, some of the history of like people and photos and stuff. So if you're curious about that, it's a really cool video and like some really interesting stuff. Anyway, I'll link it up there. While I'm heavy glam, don't you just love a red, bold lip? Ooh, I love a red lip. Red lip with tortoiseshell glasses? Come on. Feeling very fancy, feeling myself today. I'm showered, I'm clean. Like, who is this woman? I'm a whole new... I have a goal for myself today where I don't have any super crazy deadlines, but I have some things I want to get done, and I want to be done work by 5 p.m. and like play this afternoon. Oh, this morning I did a segment on the morning show, so I'll insert a couple of clips now so you can see what that was like, just a couple things, and I'll link the main segment if you want to catch it. I think I might be more excited about the Nintendo Switch than my kids. So the Nintendo Switch is likely going to be a really hot item. First of all, like it seemed everybody and their cousin was playing Animal Crossing this year, and I need to figure out what all the fuss is about. So I'm looking forward to gifting this one. Behind the scenes was very different this year. Didn't have to leave my house. It was kind of exciting because normally when I do those segments, it's about 3 hours of driving for me there and back, and it's a lot. And this was quite lovely to just sit down and hit record. It was awesome. Anyways, just popping in to say hello. I'm feeling really good today. I got a workout in this morning. The sun is shining. I got ready, a little self-care. I'm feeling like I'm vibing with my family today. All good things, feeling really good, and I'm hoping the same for you guys. Welcome to Thursday. Thursday is a day that I get so much stuff done. I don't know what it is. I think because I do videos Tuesday, Thursday, so video's already out. Well, it's almost out. Prepping for the weekend. I always get a load of laundry done. It's a really high productive day for me, and it's sunny, which means it's going to be even more productive. So anyway, happy day. Happy Thursday. I don't know exactly what I'm doing today, but you'll follow along and we'll do it together. I'm heading out. I have to run to pick up a few things for this campaign that I'm working on. So I've got a nice big bulky sweater. This is an Aritzia sweater from ages ago. I just got a thing to take off the pills. I'll have to do that on the side here, but I find like there's certain pieces like Aritzia just lasts for a long time. Also, made the mistake, I put lip gloss on and lipstick. Like, what was I thinking? I'm wearing a mask. Anyway, these pants, they're nice and billowy, and it's kind of that weather where it's actually kind of mild, but then cold at the same time, hence the sweater and the light pants. And I've got my compression socks that look a little silly, but you know what? They feel so nice. And black boots, and let's go. Esme and I are shooting a fun little campaign this afternoon. It's always fun to do things with the kids. I don't do as much with them, I feel like, lately. So anyway, we're doing that. So I have to quickly head to the store. And can you hear this noise? I hear that all day, and it drives me crazy. I cannot wait until the new year when the kids are back in school. Like, it's a lot. Anyway, okay, let's go. One thing I have to do right now is rid my car of garbage because my kids are gross. But maybe I'm gross because I'm pretty sure I saw food in my trunk the other day. Oh my God, there is food back here. Like, are you kidding me? I've been smelling something weird in my car. I get a lot of grief from my family about having a dirty car, but I'm never in my car. So explain that one. It's very rare that I go anywhere, and it's usually those three, and they're gross, so, Okay, off to run errands, and I have a meeting in 2 hours, so gotta hustle. Hey, handsome.
Hi.
Hi, what are you doing?
I'm just putting up the shelves.
Nice.
Yeah. So because it's quite a narrow, it's like 10.5 inches. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it so that it looks something like that. So it'll come out 14 inches here, and it'll be a slight curve, and it'll give it a little bit more area. So I get 4 shelves aside, so that'll be good enough for him to put his stuff.
Nice. Well, I'm getting ready for bed. It's 3 minutes to midnight, so I got in just under the wire. I always try to get into bed before midnight because, I don't know how many late nights I can pull. I think they're coming to an end. Anyway, so I do have a little, routine that I go through at the end of the night, and so I thought I would just share that with you. So, first thing is I usually have some sort of lip balm in my bedside table. It tends to, get put somewhere by someone. So, lip balm. Today's is a polysporin one. Lip health. But I always put it on before bed. I want those lips nice and, refreshed. This next one is a roller. I think in my last vlog I was telling you about a roller that I use in the day. This is a nighttime one. This is also from Honor the Temple, my friend. And this one's called Unwind and Rest. And I usually just put it, because I sleep with my hands kind of near my face, and so then it has all the nice lovely smells. And this has lavender, and I can't read it. I should put my glasses on. Things that make you want to sleep. So there's that. And then I usually take a minute and write a couple things in my gratitude journal. And I know I've shared this a few times, but I've actually been going strong. Like this is all done, this side of it. So I got this in September. Was it? Yeah, September, and here we are in November. So it's wonderful. Like it just prompts you for like a few things that you're grateful for. So in the morning you fill out the light beige part, and in the evening you fill out the gray. There are days I forget. Like the last few days I've been forgetting to do it in the morning, but today I remembered. And then in the bottom part, you know, 3 amazing things that happened today and how could you have made today better type of thing. So anyway, I usually fill out that. And then the last thing I've been using, of course, don't do what I do or say. Please ask your doctor first. But one of you guys suggested and recommended this pure magnesium oil, which can be great if you've got sore muscles and things. And I have had some sore muscles because I took up kickboxing and my body's like, hey lady, you're not 22 anymore. So I've been using this on some of my sore muscles at night. And that's my routine. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. And then I set my alarm for 7:30 in the morning, which I will then snooze through for a good 15 minutes because I'm not a morning person. And we'll start this whole adventure all over again. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Welcome to Friday. We made it. We made it through the week. Dad's coming tonight, and I always find whenever Dad comes, I just don't want to do all the chores and things. Like, that's super boring. So yesterday I did 3 loads of laundry, actually folded it, put it all away. And now I'm actually just going to take 30 minutes and just do a quick walkthrough with like, okay, I'm coming, with like some cleaning, you know, spray and a damp cloth and just, what? I'm coming! A damp cloth and here's virtual school for you, and wipe down some surfaces. So get a little head start. Story of my life. Virtual school is very, very involved. Today though, I put him on a Bluetooth headset. See, the trouble with putting Jack on a Bluetooth headset is occasionally he needs our help and then I don't know what's happening. So that's the only trouble there. Tonight, Dean and I are going on a date and we're gonna go kickboxing. I'm really excited. It is an amazing workout. Like, I feel just everything is like just fitter, and it's like that extra push that I just don't do when I'm by myself. And I work out pretty hard solo, but this time of year is always really tricky to be motivated. And when you have a coach going like 10 more seconds, and you're punching that bag, like, you just do it. So anyway, I'm excited for tonight, a little date night, which is twofold. Why Dad's coming out. He's gonna come hang out with us. He'll spend the night. Kids get their grandpa fill. I get to hang out with Dad, and also Dean and I get a date, because dates are harder to come by right now with not having access to babysitters. Wow, that looks cool. I see what you mean. The way I could not envision what Dean was saying about making them bigger. I was getting annoyed with him. I was like, no, you're wrong.
So here's Amanda.
Blah,
Here's
blah,
me.
blah.
Here's me. Hey Amanda, it's only got like 10.5 inches. 10.5 inches. Yeah. So if it goes, it's going to be a really short shelf. I was thinking about coming out later. No, put a shelf here and a closet. And I'm like...
He's like, sure, Amanda.
Here's me, zoom in. No.
I love it. Well done. High five. Dad is here for the weekend. Hello.
Hello.
I've kidnapped him for the weekend because, you know...
I'm being fed, being loved.
I know. We're gonna play this game. This is the game I was telling you guys about. Cloak. So you found it.
I found totally lucked out on it.
It's like strategy, and then you have to move these things around and remember where its pair
It's
is.
memory.
And
Not easy.
honestly, it's like grown-up memory.
It is.
But
It is.
Cheers, Dad. To the weekend. Boom. We did a nice double pour, so I don't have to stand up again. Breakfast time! Are you hungry?
All part of the food.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Breakfast. Woo!
Good.
All the bells and whistles.
Yes.
Very exciting.
Thank you.
You drink so much milk?
Update on the shower is that thankfully we didn't have to call an emergency plumber, because an emergency plumber on a Sunday, very expensive. So basically we don't have a shower till Tuesday. We still have access to hot and cold water, so we can like sponge bath. It's the worst. So Tuesday there's gonna be a plumber coming in and he's gonna replace the whole thing, like the faucet, the shower head, and then the thing that turns the shower on. I'm really good at words. So that's gonna be happening on Tuesday. That's the unexpected fun part of owning a home, is that I'm pretty sure that shower was on its last leg anyway and was just, you know, a matter of time before it wore out. Just wasn't like ideal timing, so such is life. Anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and there's just another week in my life, and I will be back next week with more. Bye guys!